Oh, big stretchy. Big stretchy. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. Yeah. You good? Ow, my toe. Yeah. You good? Okay. Look at that. Stretch that booty. Stretch that back. Get that workout in. Yeah. They're so cute. I love these cats. They're so awesome. Where's my bowl? Oh. Oh my god. Anyway, how's everybody doing? Did you have a good weekend? If you had a weekend off, I only had one day off, and I gotta go to work today. So I'm putting the bowl over there. I'm sorry. Did I make a Marcus? Did I make a ruckus? Sorry.